Well, there's a new Dupage County State's Attorney. As Joe Birkett assumed his seat on the Second District Appellate Court, his former first assistant took over the top prosecutor job in the county. NCTV 17's Michelle Corless had a chance to sit down with Robert Berlin to talk about his new responsibilities.
That I support the Constitution of the United States.
After a unanimous vote, Bob Berlin was sworn in as Dupage County State's Attorney. Berlin's been with the county for the last 6 years and says his biggest challenge is maintaining the department's top reputation.
It's an office that has a history of being professional. It's known for its excellence. It's known as one of the finest prosecutors' offices in the state and the country, for that matter.
Berlin brings 23 years of experience with him to his new post. He began his career in Kane County, followed by Cook, and then settled in Dupage in 2004. As an administrator, Berlin knows he'll have new responsibilities, but hopes he'll still be able to get into the courtroom.
It's a great opportunity to teach the younger attorneys who are moving up so that they can gain the valuable experience that they need so they can try those big cases as well.
Choosing a state's attorney was the first duty of Dupage County Board Chairman Dan Cronin. He says he began the process before he was even sworn in and met with each of the board members before selecting Berlin.
We have enjoyed this rich, proud tradition of, the state's attorney as the chief law enforcement officer is someone who is, sort of tough on crime and an experienced prosecutor.
Over his career, Berlin has tried more than 50 murder cases in front of a jury. He faces as many as 12 of those cases in the next 3 months. Berlin wants his office to focus not on convictions, but on justice.
We have an obligation to try cases correctly, professionally, to follow the rules of professional conduct, and to make sure that the rights of even someone who's charged with a crime, that those rights are protected.
Berlin fills the job for the rest of Joe Birkett's term, which expires on November 30th, 2012. Berlin says he's already planning on running that year to become the elected Dupage County State's Attorney. Reporting from Wheaton, Michelle Corless, Naperville News 17.
It took the Dupage County Board 1 day to vote to replace Joe Birkett with Bob Berlin.